In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error the application can't be opened on your Mac computer. So in order to get rid of this error message and be able to open your application, what you need to do is head over to the Launchpad in the bottom navigation menu. From the search box, just type in terminal and then go ahead and open this terminal. Now from here, all you need to do is type in the following command: chmod space, the plus symbol, followed by the letter X, and then hit space on your keyboard. And then what you need to do is locate the application you're having trouble opening. For example, for me, it's this file over here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag this file into the terminal and then just let go. And that's going to bring up the file path like so. And then once you've entered this file path, you can just hit the enter key on your keyboard. And that should have now done the trick. You should now be able to open this file here. So if I now go ahead and double click on this file, you can see now they opens without any further error messages. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.